Dark circles is a very common problem now as we are in lockdown and a lot of people have disturbed sleep cycles. So there are a number of methods that can help you to treat dark circles. There are a number of methods that can actually help you to conceal your dark circles. Like first being the makeup. So you can color correct your dark circles or you can simply conceal your dark circles. So once the makeup is off, we look a little different. So it is best that we avoid doing certain activities that trigger the dark circles. But if you have dark circles, you don't have to worry. There are certain home remedies that works amazingly. Now in this video, I will share 3 of my absolute favorite DIYs that will help reduce dark circles. So let's start with our first home remedy. For this you will need instant coffee and egg white. So break the egg and separate the egg white. We will need approximately of 1 teaspoon of egg white for this remedy. You can simply eyeball how much is 1 teaspoon, and to this we will add 1 teaspoon of instant coffee. So just remember the ratio is 1:1. Combine the egg white and coffee in a small bowl. Beat the mixture together with the help of a spoon until it is lightly frothy. It will take approximately 1 to 2 minutes. Combining coffee with the vitamins and proteins in an egg will help to tighten and firm the skin. And this eye mask is especially effective on puffy eyes and crow's feet. Coffee is naturally full of antioxidants and it is a great ingredient to use. It helps to tighten and restore glow in the skin. The caffeine in the coffee is great for reducing dark circles and puffiness by improving the blood circulation. So either with the help of the back of the spoon or using your clean hands, you can simply apply this remedy under your eyes. Avoid applying the mask on the eyelids because we don't want this mask to get into our eyes. You can also apply the mask to your entire face if you like to. Let the mask stay for about 5 minutes. You will definitely feel the mask tightening your skin as it dries. Using a soft, wet cloth, or you can also take a wet cotton and then clean off the mask. Be very careful, do not get the mask into your eyes and do not tug or pull your eyes while removing the mask. Now let's move on to our second home remedy. For this you will need a medium-sized potato and handful of fresh mint leaves. So for this remedy all you have to do is peel the potato into small chunks and then add it along with the mint leaves in a grinder and make a smooth paste. Remember, do not add water while grinding the mixture. Now extract the juice from this paste. Soak some cotton pads in this liquid and then refrigerate it for about 30 minutes before keeping them under your eyes. Whatever is left, we will freeze them in ice cubes. This works great as a cold compressor treatment and reduce puffy eyes almost instantly. Potato is loaded with vitamin C, which helps in collagen synthesis. Now this leads to healthier glowing skin under your eyes. It also has skin lightening properties that can also help you to fight dark spots. Mint has cooling properties which can also help to reduce dark circles and puffiness around your eyes. Keep it on for about 10 to 15 minutes and then remove it. Once you have removed it, you can simply tap the excess liquid under your eyes. If you want, you can wash it off, or if you want, you can just leave it like this. Remember, you have to follow these home remedies religiously for about 4 to 6 weeks to see a prominent result. Apart from this, try and avoid doing anything that can lead to dark circles. So now moving on to our third home remedy. This is my personal favorite home remedy. For this all you need is again 2 ingredients, raw milk and some saffron. Take approximately 15 ml of raw milk and add some strands of saffron into it. Now let it soak for some time and then your mixture is ready to be applied under your eyes. Apply the mixture with the help of your fingertips, or you can take a cotton ball and then apply this on your dark circles. Apply it as a part of your nighttime skincare routine and then leave it on overnight, and then you have to wash it the next day. If it seems messy, you can wash it off after about 15 minutes with some cold water. You have to continue this process for a few weeks for better results. Saffron is used as an Ayurvedic medicine for skin problems since a very long time. It has antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that help in reducing the complexion of the skin. It can even cure the fine lines and the dark circles that result from aging. So here are some general tips that you can follow in order to reduce your dark circles. In the morning, when the puffiness is usually at its worst, you can just quickly mix up these ingredients for a fresh mask. If your eyes are extra puffy, you can just place your mask in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes before applying it. The cold will help to further reduce swelling and shrink the dilated blood vessels. Dark circles, wrinkles, puffy eyes are some common concerns among others. If you are someone who suffers from these skin problems on regular basis, then an under eye cream is a must for you in your beauty closet. So that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you found this video helpful, and if you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Fashionable Nari for more such videos. Till then, I'm Garima signing off today. See you in my next video. Bye bye.